My fellow citizens, today I stand with a heavy heart, but with a clear resolve. What we saw today in our streets can really take you aback. We saw men and women, police officers, who left their stations this morning to perform their duty of maintaining peace, being assaulted by the very demonstrators they were maintaining peace for, which is very wrong and very absurd, a line they should have not crossed. Let me be clear on this. The right to peaceful protest is a pillar to our democracy. But the moment a stone is thrown, the moment a fist is raised against a police officer, that is no longer a protest, it is a crime. It is an assault to the rule of law itself. Violence is not a form of political expression, nor a form of political argument. It is a crime. To our officers, to the members of the police force who were injured today, we see you. We know the amount of restraint you showed under the immense pressure you were subjected to. Now to your families, waiting at home, wondering whether their loved ones are safe, this community will stand with you. We will ensure that those responsible, the planners, the organizers, and the facilitators of these heinous acts will face the full weight of justice. Finally, to the public, we cannot be a society where those who run towards the danger are treated as an enemy. We can disagree on that policy, we can debate on our future, but we must agree on the basic safety of those who protect us. Violence does not build a better city. It only leaves us with many scars. I'm therefore calling on every leader, every organizer, every facilitator, and every citizen to join us in condemning this assault. Let us return to the drawing board. Let us return to the place of dialogue. Tonight, my prayers are with the injured officers, and tomorrow, our work continues to ensure that this never happen again. Thank you.